Hello guys. So this time it's a Range Rover L322 that we swapped the 8 HP. We've done multiple of these cars, every time with CanTCU, so we can use any type of Jaguar shifter that is supported by CanTCU. Everything works like stock. Drive, sport mode, manual mode, low gear, okay, let's go for a drive. So we have the full kit for this car. That includes everything that you need to assemble this gearbox in your garage or shop. It's really simple to do. It takes like 1 to 2 days to do it. Okay. We have the full kit includes the shifter, the engine adapter, engine harness, plug and play engine harness, so you don't have to do anything about the harness itself. And as you can see, the car drives really good, smooth. You can use from the first gear to the 8th, which is really useful for off-road driving. The consumption it will be much lower, and the engine doesn't suffer like near as much as the stock gearbox. I will leave some videos for comparison from the old gearbox, the GM5 to the 8 HP. Okay, so you can compare it and take your thoughts about it, because this is amazing. These cars are really nice to drive, but the gearbox is just a piece of, you know what. So yeah. This is the best upgrade you can do to this sort of Range Rover. It's really easy to do. You don't have to know much. We can help and provide everything that you need to make this happen. But yeah, man, you can use every gear. The car is really smooth. I have my phone in the hand, so as you can see, it's like butter smooth, man. Amazing. And kickdown works as well for the overtakes. This car is fully stock, okay, no remap, no nothing, and it drives much faster. And yeah, man. See you soon. Thank you.